Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve the Laurent series problem. I am not going to into the theory, only how to solve the exam point of view only we are consider. Yes, so now find the Laurent series of the function f of z is z divided by z plus 1 z plus 2 about z equal to minus 2. This is the problem given. So what is the Laurent series means f of z, I can write summation n equal to 1 to infinite bn times z minus z naught whole power minus n plus summation n equal to 0 to infinite an times z minus z naught whole power n. So this is we called as a principal part, this is we called as a analytical part. Yes, so here the problem they given us z naught is z equal to minus 2. So we require the series is f of z is we require the given function is summation n equal to 1 to infinite some bn times z minus z naught is minus 2, so plus 2 whole power minus n plus summation n equal to 0 to infinite an times z minus z plus 2 the whole power n. I want to find it. This is the I want to find in the f of z in term, that is z divided by z plus 1 times z plus 2. I have to represent in this form. So first they given, I want to, the given function is the linear, the denominators must be linear form or single term only we require. Suppose z plus 1. So we required, so our function f of z is a divided by some z plus 1 plus b divided by z plus 2. That is, we are going to do the partial fraction. So before we are going to the partial fraction, our given function is proper rational or not we want to change. What is the proper rational means? The degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So it is true. So I am going to do only the partial fraction. So how you find the partial fraction? Very simple. So whenever the linear factor is only in the denominator, you simply apply a value is, you put apart from the this guy. So if you want to do it z plus 1 only you want to check it, correct? So at the time you put it z value is minus 1 in this year. So minus 1 divided by plus 1. So we will get it as minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus b value if you want to find means you simply do for this guy. So this one only we want to consider. So we want to use a different color. So this is only we want to consider. Z is equal to minus 2 you apply. The numerator is minus 2, denominator is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, numerator is minus 2. So you will get the plus 2 divided by z plus 2. So this is we do the partial fraction, directly we get it, f of z is. Now your next point is, I want to represent in the point of z is equal to minus 2. So we will draw the circles based on the points, and further I want to clearly mention what are the points are singular points. Singular points is when wherever the function is, it's going to the infinity will be there. Okay, it's not differentiable or those things. So that is z equal to minus 1 and minus 2 are singular points. Singular points. Okay, I want to draw the straight line, I want to draw the circles, the center is minus 2. Okay, so now so we take an as a, so it's not that good. So I will draw that. So I will take, this is the y axis, this is my x axis. Now I want to make it as the center is -2. So I want to choose as this is as my center -2. Now I want to draw the circles. So -1, -2 does not contain. So first of all, -2, it is the center. So I will not take in this point. So leave it. So one more circle is, this is -1. This is the radius is -1. This is the one circle, we will take it. Okay. So now you clearly look, the inside the circle, how many singular points will be there? Only one singular point will be there, that is -2. The -1 is not part of the singular, our circle. So you take it that the boundary is not in the circle. So our region is mod Ez plus 2 is greater than 0, less than 1. This is a circle. So clearly the -1 is not part of this one. At -2 is inside the circle only is there. Like that assume. Then further, mod Ez plus 2 is greater than 1. So this is the region. These are the two regions we are finding. So in the first region, so -2 is inside the circle only, we feel that. So that means these guys we get the all are negative powers only will get. Negative powers in, this is the region we taken as here R1. So in R1, these all are positive powers, because your singular point is not inside the circle. That is the key idea. The inner circle is not. So that is why it's a positive powers only will come in R1. In R2, -2 and +1 all are inside the circle only will be there. So all we get the negative powers. So now we proceed for the 0 less than Ez plus 2 less than 1. In this region what will happen? We will check it first. So Ez divided by Ez plus 1 times Ez plus 2. From the partial fraction we will get it as -1 divided by Ez plus 1 plus 2 divided by Ez plus 2. You get it. So now I already mentioned in this region, this guy is always positive power. This guy is the negative power only will come. So this is already negative powers only there. So leave it as it is. So directly write 2 divided by Ez plus 2. So you want to represent this way only. But first one is there is no Ez plus 2. I want to represent everything is the Ez plus 2. So Ez plus add 1 and subtract 1. Okay. So 2 divided by Ez plus 2 minus, I will take the one more minus outside. So we will get 1 minus Ez plus 2. So this is nothing but Ez plus 2. This is 1 minus Ez plus 2 whole minus. So to express this formula, we are required, this formulas you must be remember, that is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 and 1 plus x whole power minus 1 and 1 minus x whole power minus 2, 1 plus x whole power minus 2. These formula is you remember, then only we can solve the problem in the exam point of. This formula is nothing, 1 plus x plus x square and so on. This is alternatives are positive negative, both are same terms only. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 and so on. This is will come 1 plus 2x plus 3x and so on. Here alternate terms are negative. So 1 minus 2x plus 3x minus and so on. So we will get it as 2 divided by Ez plus 2 plus 1 plus Ez plus 2 plus Ez plus 2 the whole square and so on. So this is our Laurent series, and the domain is we are reaching here is for all not x z plus 2 is less than 1. In this region only the given function z divided by z plus 1 times z plus 2 is we can represent. Now suppose the region R2. What is the Laurent series? Okay, that is mod z plus 2 is greater than 1, then our Laurent series what looks like. So clearly the first point, this term is always in the negative powers, it does not change any binary. But this guy, the minus 1, this minus 1 now also it's your region is it contains this part. So it is also comes the negative powers. So z divided by z plus 1, z plus 2, you want to write as 2 over z plus 2, you kept as it is, minus 1 over z plus 1. This is our given. So this is negative power as it is, so we don't need to binary, we simply keep it as it is. But this guy is I want to take, I pulled out this guy as z plus 2 minus 1 I can write. The next step is the very critical point, z plus 2. Now you can pull over z plus 2 minus z plus 2 if you want to take it, so it becomes plus 1 minus 1 divided by z plus 2. So sorry, here minus will not be there, here minus 1. So z plus 2, I just to pull it out, so 1 minus 1 over z plus 2. So 2 over z plus 2 minus 1 over z plus 2 times 1 minus 1 over z plus 2 the whole power minus 1. So the same formula, the first formula only I will apply. So you will get it as 2 divided by z plus 2 minus 1 over z plus 2. So you will get as 1 plus 1 over z plus 2 plus 1 over z plus 2 the whole square and so on. So now you can club it the first term, so it will become 1 here 2, so 1 over z plus 2 minus 1 over z plus 2 the whole square minus 1 over z plus 2 the whole cube and so on. This is the Laurent series for mod z plus 2 is greater than 1 in this region. This is the Laurent series, that is z divided by z plus 1 times z plus 2. So first of all, what is our key step is I want to find the singular points, that is when the singular point means when the function is going to the blow up. So z is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 2. Okay, so I want to do it. So I want to draw the circle based on the given center. Center is the given is minus 2. So I draw the circle. So minus 2 itself center. So it is not the participate. So that is why the first power is all becomes negative powers. I hope you understand how to find the Laurent series of any given functions. Thank you for watching this video.